Welcome back. In the landscape of modern education, a silent battle is being waged, one between the traditional methods of rote learning and the burgeoning need for innovative thinking and lifelong learning skills. This article delves into how rote learning, an age-old educational approach, may be stifling the creative and analytical potential of students, ultimately impacting their ability to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. The rote learning approach. Rote learning, the process of memorizing information based on repetition, has been a cornerstone of traditional education systems. It emphasizes the memorization of facts and figures over understanding and conceptualization. This method, while effective for certain types of information, is increasingly being questioned for its relevance and effectiveness in fostering higher-order thinking skills. The impact on innovative thinking. Stifling creativity. Rote learning often leaves little room for questioning or creative exploration, essential components of innovative thinking. When students are conditioned only to memorize and regurgitate information, their ability to think outside the box is diminished. Limiting problem-solving skills. Real-world problems require complex, often unconventional solutions. Rote learning, by focusing on predetermined answers, can limit a student's ability to approach problems flexibly and develop unique solutions. Impairing critical thinking. The ability to analyze information critically is crucial in today's information-rich world. Rote learning does not encourage the scrutiny and interrogation of ideas, which are key to developing critical thinking skills. The downfall in lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is characterized by an enduring curiosity and a continuous pursuit of knowledge and skills. Rote learning, with its focus on short-term memorization, does not foster this long-term love for learning. Instead, it often leads to a disengagement from the learning process once the immediate goal of passing an exam is achieved. Rethinking education, a shift towards innovation. Educational systems worldwide are recognizing the need to move beyond rote methods and cultivate an environment where innovative thinking and lifelong learning skills are at the forefront. Encouraging inquiry and exploration. Education should encourage students to ask questions, explore different perspectives, and delve deeper into subjects, thereby fostering a culture of curiosity and innovation. Integrating real-world problem-solving. Incorporating real-world scenarios into the curriculum can help students apply their knowledge in practical contexts, enhancing their problem-solving and critical thinking abilities. Promoting collaborative learning. Collaboration among students can lead to the exchange of diverse ideas and perspectives, which is essential in fostering innovation and creativity. Conclusion. As we stand at the crossroads of educational reform, it is imperative to recognize that the future belongs to those who can think innovatively, adapt continuously, and learn incessantly. Moving away from the confines of rote learning to embrace a more dynamic, inquiry-based approach is not just a necessity, but a responsibility. Education systems must evolve to ignite the minds of young learners, empowering them to become the innovators, thinkers, and leaders of tomorrow. If this exploration into the transformative power of education has resonated with you, please like and share your reflections in the comments. Your engagement helps us delve deeper into these critical topics. Don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Check the description for further readings and resources on educational innovation. Together, let's embrace a future where education is not just about learning, but about thinking and creating.